For today's topic, we'll review how to determine how far someone traveled from a velocity graph. So we'll be working on pages 25 to 29 today, and we're going to do number 4 together, and then 5, 6, and 8 you'll try on your own. So this is on page 25, number 4. So notice we have velocity graphs because we have V's there, and we have graphs for two different people. And we want to know who traveled further. Well, if you want to have a velocity graph and you want to find how far someone traveled, all we do is we find the area. And what we can do is, because we don't need the area for individual times, we can just split it into convenient shapes. So here we have a triangle. So I'm going to call that area 1. We'll call this area 2. So for area 1, we have a triangle. The base is 2. The height is 3, and we got to do divide by 2 because it's a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 3 is 2. For area 2, we have a rectangle where the base is 5 and the height is 2, so we get 10. So if we add them together, we'll have 13 meters that they traveled for person A. Now person B, convenient shape might be to split into this triangle and this rectangle. And we're doing any space that is between the graph and the x-axis. That's what we're trying to find the area of. Okay, these ones we only had 2 shapes. Sometimes you might have more than that you'll have to do. So in shape number 1 we have a triangle. So we have 2 times 4 divided by 2. So that would be 4. And then for shape 2, the rectangle, we've got 3 times 4, which would be 12. So together, we have 16 meters. And just make sure you answer the question, who traveled further? So for us, we would say person B. So to get credit, you need to show your work of how you found how far they each traveled, and state who went further. If by chance they went the same, just say they traveled the same. So this was for question 4 on page 25, and then you'll do questions 5, 6, and 8 on your own.